Hello everyone, FuseGlassShop.com, Diane here. Today I want to share a video with me of the reveal of my 4 fused glass pendants that I made the other day. And I have not opened the kiln yet to see what they look like. So let's do that together. I showed a video the other day that showed what kind of glass I used in the cookie cutters that I was using to make my pendants. So I'm going to reveal now what they look like when we remove the kiln lid. Let's see what we got. Oh, yes. Gorgeous. Clear with winter freeze dots, glass dots in it. I will get them cleaned up because, as you can see, there is excess paper that the fiber paper turns to powder, turns to a powdery substance. So all this has to get rinsed off, and then we can see exactly what we have. But they're going to look gorgeous once everything is cleaned off of them. Check this out. This is just with me using my fingers just to do a little bit. Let's look at it under the light. Yeah, you can see my little different colored dots in there. And it's a clear, which isn't showing up very well because the powder's still on them. So let me wash them up, and I will do another short video so you all can see what they look like. And all we have to do is clean them up and then drill tiny holes in the top of them so that we can put them on a necklace chain. All right, guys. Have a great day. Bye.